Leadership isn't one size fits all. What works in one situation might not work in another. Enter the Situational Leadership Theory by Paul Hersey and Ken Blanchard. The theory emphasizes that the best leadership style depends on the maturity and competence of the followers. Hersey and Blanchard identify 4 primary leadership styles. Here, the leader provides clear instructions and closely supervises the tasks. It's a high-task, low-relationship approach, useful when followers are new or inexperienced. This is where the leader is both task-oriented and relationship-oriented. They offer guidance, but also listen and provide emotional support. Great for those who have some skills, but might still be uncertain. The leader takes a step back on task guidance, but maintains a strong relationship focus. The followers have the skills but might lack confidence or commitment. Here, the leader provides motivation and encouragement. Leaders trust their followers to make decisions. It's low task, low relationship. The followers are competent and motivated. They can handle tasks on their own. The followers' maturity and readiness can be classified into 4 levels, corresponding to the leadership styles. M1, low competence, high commitment. M2, some competence, low commitment. M3, high competence, variable commitment. M4, high competence, high commitment. A great leader can recognize the readiness level of their followers and adjust their style accordingly. So remember, effective leadership is all about adapting to the needs and maturity of your followers. It's situational. Master the art of situational leadership and watch your team thrive.